myself, you can write it please. I'm 30 years in this rank.
As a former civilian in the South African Police Service, I spent 9 years on salary level 3 before I eventually got promoted a year later after that to salary level 6. The problem is, if you are on level 6, there's no much chance of you reaching anything higher than that. You're basically at the ceiling of your income potential. In the traditional job market, your income growth is limited. But with Deerpoint, your income depends on your own efforts and your success, and there is no ceiling over your head. Stop competing with your colleagues and waiting for other people to promote you. Deerpoint recognizes your hard work. It recognizes you with promotion, cash rewards, holidays, and even luxury vehicles. Curious to know more? WhatsApp me 0621750825, and I promise to send you the information that got me started.